Using multi-factor authentication to log into OpenClinica. Logging into OpenClinica. Every time you log into the OpenClinica database, you will need to use the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. This is also known as multi-factor authentication, which is another way of confirming your identity when you log in. To use the Google Authenticator app, you will first need to download it onto your mobile device. How to download the Google Authenticator app on iPhone. Download Google Authenticator from the App Store. It is free to download. How to download the Google Authenticator app on Android. Download Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store app. It is free to download. Setting up MFA on OpenClinica. Go to the OpenClinica database and log into your account with your username and password. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan the QR code. You will then receive a 6-digit code on your mobile device after scanning the QR code. Enter the 6-digit code here and click Login. If you are unable to scan a QR code, click on the Unable to Scan link on the OpenClinica webpage after entering your username and password. This will provide a 32-key code. Go on your Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Select Enter a Setup key and enter the 32-key code from the previous step. This will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code here and click here to log in. You should now be set up for MFA. Once this is set up and you have the account saved on your Google Authenticator, you do not need to scan the QR code again. Each time you log into OpenClinica, you will only need to use your username and password and then the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator. Now when you log into OpenClinica, it should ask you to enter your 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. Enter the code that appears. Do not worry if the code times out. Enter the new one that appears. Once you have successfully logged in, the system will show you the OpenClinica home screen. Contact the SepTiC trial team if you have any issues using the email septic@imperial.account.uk.